Today's Mind Expansion daily health issue is Pica. Pica is a rare eating disorder characterized by the persistent craving and consumption of non-food items such as dirt, chalk, soap, paper, or ice. It often occurs in children, pregnant women, or individuals with certain nutritional deficiencies, psychological disorders, or developmental conditions. Treatment options. Treating pica involves addressing the underlying cause. This can include nutritional supplements, for example, iron or zinc for deficiencies, behavioral therapy to reduce harmful eating habits, and counseling for associated psychological conditions. In severe cases, medical supervision is necessary to prevent complications like poisoning or intestinal blockages. Health insurance can be crucial for managing pica, covering treatments, therapies, and diagnostic evaluations. For personalized assistance, call 754-800-5549 with any questions about health insurance options. Don't forget to add your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe to Mind Expansion Daily for more insights on rare health conditions.